Okay guys, it's been over 2 years since I made a Jack Talk Show video, and I didn't think I'd ever do another one. I really didn't, seriously. I was, talking to the kids here, for so long and trying to get everyone to understand what was going on in our government, and, no one really cared. No one cared. I mean, more than likely this video is not going to get any views anyway because, there's just not too many subscribers. But I just got to do it. Right, Fluffy? Yeah. Well, what has happened is we have the saddest day in American history happen this weekend. The saddest day. I mean, it rivals. It actually beats when JFK was shot. And I don't take that lightly at all. JFK was shot. That was one of the worst days in American history. But that was one guy dying. And now we've got our whole country that's dead. Our country's gone. It's history. We have martial law in effect. Basically, never in 1,000 years would I ever expect this to happen. I told you guys, a few years ago, that it wouldn't happen in my lifetime. It would not happen in my lifetime. You remember that, honey? Mm. I mean, you agreed with me, right? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I said it was all going to happen in the kids' lifetime, Danny and Scotty were 13 and 14 years old, and I told them, I said, guys, this is what you're going to have to worry about, okay? I'm not going to have to worry about it, but now I have to worry about it. It's so amazing how fast they just bolted this through. We saw all the events, all the timelines happening, the big, huge events, the little events. We saw it all happening. So the writing was on the wall. What's my main motto, okay? If you know history, you can tell the future, okay? Here it is, guys. I mean, it happened. I can't believe it happened this fast, though. I just can't. Okay? It's already happened once before in history, and here it comes, guys. Here it comes. It's fast. It's faster than I ever thought. I didn't think it could happen in America this fast. I really didn't. I told the kids. I told you kids, I told all of you. I said, hey, it's not going to happen in my timeline whatsoever. It's going to happen in yours. Well, I was wrong. My prediction came a lot faster than what I thought. A lot faster, like 20 years faster, okay? And, all the way from all the executive orders and everything the executive branch of the government's been doing for all these years. I mean, it's been going on for years, guys, years, okay? But, man, they just catapulted everything. It was just like, we had Bush. We know how disgusting he was. Come on, guys. I mean, we had Clinton. We know, he's the one who raped the Second Amendment. Okay, even before then. I mean, this has been in plan for a long time. But boy, I'll tell you, when they had change, what changed? What we did is we accelerated everything that was going on. What did he say? He said, absolutely, I'm going to get everyone out of the war. We're going to get out of the war. Well, we're still there. Okay. Oh, we're going to close Gitmo. Yeah, right. Okay, sure we are. Well, now, with the NDAA, we're going to be sending our own U.S. citizens to Gitmo. Okay? It's amazing. Guys, read about NDAA. You'll know why this is such a horrible day in our history. Okay, basically what it's saying is that the president can do anything he wants. He can kill me, he can kill you, he can kill your parents, he can kill anybody. It doesn't matter. And guess what? He doesn't have to have a warrant. No judge, no jury, no nothing. Period. That's it. It's over. It's over. All they have to do is to say, I don't like that guy. Go get him. That's it, and it's over. Okay? So it's a scary day. I don't even know what else to really say. It's so bad, okay? I mean, it's so bad. We're going to put some links up there. As a matter of fact, you might want to check. Well, Ron Paul, guys. Ron Paul. Here's our only hope right here. Here's our only hope right here, Ron Paul. We have no other hope. That's it. And, Washington doesn't want Ron Paul there. I'll tell you right now. The American people do. There's no doubt about it. Anybody who wants to listen to Ron Paul and listen to what he's got to say, everyone's like, yeah, hell yeah. I know I am. I mean, everything he says. Here's an honest guy. Here's a guy who was drafted in 1962. Okay? He served in the military. His biggest supporters are the military. Okay? Ron Paul, a doctor, a guy who's been married for 50 plus years. Okay? I mean, an honest politician. What the fuck? An honest politician? I didn't think there was such a thing. Well, there's one of them right here. Ron Paul. Okay? And this is the only thing that can happen. This is the only one who can save us from what's happened. All right, that's it. I don't know what else to say. So we do have about that much hope. Okay? About that much. Okay? But that's about it. Because I guarantee if Ron Paul becomes president, he will repeal this. Okay? Because we'll go back to the Constitution. We've torn the Constitution up so many times that it's gone. Okay? With this last NDAA, this last act right here, completely puts us into martial law. As a matter of fact, I only know of one other country. I mean, I might be wrong, but I only know of one other country that has the ability to detain their own citizens or anybody they want without a jury, without a judge, without anything, without a warrant or anything, and that's North Korea. That's it. You know, maybe there's another country out there, I don't know, some small country that's dictatorship, you know. I don't know. Maybe there is, but, you know, I don't know. I don't watch TV. I don't follow the things the way I used to because, you know, I pretty much threw my hands up in the air, you know, a couple of years ago and just said, fuck it, you know. But now, after my buddy from the Army called me and said, hey, look, this happened, I mean, my eyes went, whoa! Oh my God, I freaked out. Seriously, I freaked. I said, there's just no way in the world that this actually happened. There's just no way. I thought he was lying. I really did. I got back. I didn't sleep the whole night because I was in shock. I'm still in shock. I mean, it's been a day and a half now. It's been a day and a half since I've learned that this happened, and I'm still in shock. I don't even know what to really even say. Really, I mean, I'm sitting here going, duh, you know, what? There's, you know, this completely is bullshit. But just to give you guys an idea, okay, if you have any fingers missing on your hand, which, you know, the military was going to cut my hand completely off. Thank God I still have fingers. Because if I didn't have any fingers, guess what? I am then a suspected terrorist because I don't have any fingers on my hand. Did you know that? No bullshit. Swear to you. I'm not even joking about this, okay? If you own weapons, you're a terrorist. Oh my God. Well, we own some weapons, you know. I mean, I don't know. I mean, everyone does, right? If you have ammunition, you're considered a terrorist. Are you ready for this, guys? This is no bullshit. What I'm going to tell you is true. If you have over 7 days worth of food in your house, you are considered a terrorist. Look at Fluffy. He's just like, I'm getting the hell out of here. Black Ops Kid, he's like, you hear me? He's crying. Black Ops Kid, he's crying. He never thought this would happen either. Serious. Bring Black Ops Kitty back up here. Look at, he's hiding underneath the table here. No bullshit. If you have over 7 days worth of food, yeah, come here. Come here, Black Ops Kitty. Come here. Come on. Just tell him, okay? If you have over 7 days worth of food in your house, you're a suspected terrorist. That's unbelievable. I just can't even believe it. These are just some of the things that are true. I'm not joking. As a matter of fact, this act was signed in secret. In secret, guys. Since when do you have secret Senate meetings about being able to destroy the Constitution? When did this happen? When did this happen? It's amazing, guys. I mean, everyone should be completely freaking out right now. Everyone should be scared to death. You know what really blew my mind is MTV, Music TV, okay? MTV has commercials on there of the Holocaust, of people just busting into their doors and taking their families out and putting them in deuce and a halfs and hauling them off to concentration camps. It's amazing. It's amazing. You start looking into more and more of these things that's going on. I mean, they actually have the United States broken down into 10 sections now. That there's 10 governors. I think it's called the Governor's Council. Scotty, you know what the name of it is? You know, is it called the Governor's Council? I think it's called the Governor's Council. It's a new law that happened last year, okay? To where there's only 10 governors in the whole entire United States, the ones who just will say yes to no matter what Obama says, okay? If something happens and Obama wants to, he can press a button, wham, just like that, and break off the whole entire United States of America into 10 sections, and those governors automatically take over the country and turn them into huge concentration camps. No bullshit. I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking. No bullshit. Seriously, all the other governors, you're fired. See ya. Okay? And they break it down into 10 huge camps. It's unbelievable, guys. It's the truth. Look it up. Look it up. Matter of fact, I can put links on here, right, Scotty? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to put some links up so you guys can see what I'm saying is true. Okay? I could rant and I could talk about this all day, except I'm completely depressed, guys. I mean, it's the saddest day in American history. I mean, it's worse than anything that's ever happened. I don't know what to say or do anymore. I just had to make this video. I told everyone I'd never make another Jack Talk show, but we had to. So this is it. We're going to put some links up. Remember, guys, right here, Ron Paul Rocks America. This is the Freedom Tour of 2012. Man, listen to the guy. Seriously, for all of you who don't know who Ron Paul is, please have your parents listen to him. Just have them listen to him, okay? Everything he's saying. The first thing he would do is he would pull our troops out of everywhere. You know that we have 900 bases worldwide. This is ridiculous, guys. I mean, we're totally bankrupt. Everything. The whole country's bankrupt. Everything. He'll bring them back. He'll bring all our troops back. Our troops are dying. We're killing innocent people everywhere, man. Let's just stop it. Let's just stop it. Let's just bring back our country. Guys, really seriously, this is the scariest day of my life. I'm not joking. I've been in some really, really scary positions in my life. I mean, really scary. But nothing scarier than this right here. Nothing. Nothing. Okay? Please look at the links. See what, look into it. Listen to Ron Paul. Get your parents to go vote for him. Just listen to him. Don't vote for him. Listen to him. They'll vote for him if they listen to him. Okay? And don't listen to the bullshit on TV. Don't watch TV. Everything's total bullshit on there. Matter of fact, I'll give you an idea. Okay? When we used to stay in Brazil years back, remember, honey? We would have news in Brazil that was totally different than when we'd come back to America and say, hey, what the hell was that? You remember that? Yes. Scotty, you remember that? What? Remember how the news used to be different in other countries? Yeah, I mean, totally different, guys. Totally fucking different. Well, here you can see, look at the Time magazine cover, okay? The Time magazine cover for the rest of the world, okay, is a guy with a gas mask on going, no free elections, what's going on, revolution, and all this stuff, right? Guess what America's Time cover is? It says, anxiety is good for you. And shows a little guy down there with a little yarn thing, a little cartoon figure. Come on, guys, it's unbelievable. I mean, they're pulling wool over your eyes, and no one's saying anything. You don't see anything about NDAA on Fox. You don't see anything on CNN. You don't see anything on CBS, ABC, NBC, anything, CNBC, anything, MSNBC. None of them have anything. But it's there. It's there. It's real easy to find. It's there. We're going to put some links up. Check it out. Let's protect our country, guys. Really, seriously, let's protect our country. Here's our only hope right here. Right here. There's our only hope, and I'm not bullshitting either. Serious. I'm sorry, but I'm completely sad. I'm saddened today, and I'm going to leave it at that. You know, there's a lot of other things out there, man. There's a 16-year-old kid. I forget what state he's in. What's he, in Tennessee or something? A 16-year-old kid who's been taken away from his mother and father, and they don't know where he's at. He's never been in any trouble or anything, but something happened to where somehow the Patriot Act has stopped him. They took him. They don't even know where he's at. His parents can't get any answers, nothing. 16 years old, guys, 16. Can you imagine happening that to you? I mean, what would your parents do? Everyone would be freaking out. It's amazing. Things are happening that are not right. Look at these things. Put up your own videos. Do whatever you can. Have your parents listen to Ron Paul, guys. See you later. Right, Black Ops Kitty? Yeah.